Hi guys, this is Wake Up Call. Long time no see. You know how it was on YouTube with all the censorship and things. So there are things that you cannot talk here on YouTube. We all know about what is happening in the world in this year and a half. And all other things from the news you can't talk because they're gonna label you as fake news. This is why I decided to do different kinds of videos on this YouTube channel. Uh, Maybe you're not gonna like it, maybe you're gonna like it, we'll see. But I'm gonna give you informations about trading, about how to earn money on the internet, about cryptocurrencies, about the stock exchange, about real estate, about different kinds of investments that we have. So it's gonna be like a wealth and wellness channel. I hope you will understand us because if you want to see those news videos that we produced, we're gonna produce more, but we just being censored. You can find us Wake Up Call in BitChute. So there are a lot of ways you can earn money on the internet. Everybody knows that, but most of the things and most of the stuff you're gonna go, it's about scams. So a lot of people like to scam you. I'm not here to scam you or to lead you to something where you can lose your money. I'm here to tell you a way how you can earn your own money by your own decisions. I'm not implying to you anything. So, everybody knows about cryptocurrency. We talked about cryptocurrencies before, going up, going down, how it is, all these cryptocurrencies. But the thing is, you can really earn money with cryptocurrencies. Most of the people find out about this in this last year, like from this year, from January. You know that Bitcoin was 60,000 dollars, which is a great money. And if you bought that in 2020 in May, you will pay for it like 5,000. And from 5,000 to go to 60,000, that's a lot of percents, you know. You're gaining money. But the thing about Bitcoin is it's important how many people will invest in the Bitcoin or in different cryptocurrencies. And that depends how many people will invest. The price of the Bitcoin will go up. It's the same with other cryptocurrencies. That's why they say it's like bubble. And most of the things that we can see is that it's really a bubble. But the thing is, you have to know when to invest your money and when to take your money out. That's the two things. And like everything else, like the stock market, it's luck. They can go up or they can go down. So you got 50% chance of the price that you're buying the Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency. You got 50% chance to go up or to go down. So this is the way you invest. You invest in cryptocurrencies. Most of you is about money. So we're gonna talk about this investments is about money. And most of you like fast money, of course, and that's the short time investment. But when you buy Bitcoin or different cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, what else different? You buy that, and the price can go down. So you're staying and you're not selling it. The way you can make money is by just keeping that bitcoins, keeping them, and wait for the time to go up, and then sell it when you like and how much money you want to like. You wait till that point in time. So for buying bitcoins, you can easily buy in Coinbase, and there's Bittrex. There's other different kinds of exchanges that you can simply buy bitcoins. All you need is to connect with your bank account and to make deposit. And when you make deposit, it goes from your bank account, and in a couple of days you will have that money on the wallet, in the Coinbase or in different platform. And with that money, when you can buy different kind of cryptocurrencies. In Coinbase, you can buy just 6 major cryptocurrencies. So like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and others, Dogecoin. What are the most important, like XRP, those? And on different, like Bittrex, you can buy any kind of you want. So with cryptocurrencies like that. So I will tell you my experience in cryptocurrency. It was like 3 years ago, 3.5 years ago. So I bought Ethereum, I bought Bitcoin Cash, I bought Litecoin. I didn't go in Bitcoin. I go in small cryptocurrencies because they didn't ask so much money. The value is less, so you can buy them more, and you will try to make some money. But it was really bad when I got that, so I just waited, and I waited 3 years. So if you don't have patience with cryptocurrencies, you're gonna sell it when it's down. But the thing is, you buy it when it's down, and you wait when the price is up, and then you sell it, and then you make a profit. But if you buy it when it's up, you need to wait to go more up. So that's the thing with the cryptocurrency. You have to wait to make some money. So I made like $3,000, not much, and I sold them in January. I shouldn't sell that in January. If I waited, I will have more than double. But I sold them in January when I had profit. I had $3,000 profit, and why not? I invest like $16,000-$17,000, and then I got like $19,000-$20,000 from that, which is not bad. $3,000. Who's giving you $3,000 on the street? Someone will find you and give you $3,000? No, nobody will give you $3,000. But I waited 3 years for that transaction, which is a lot. So now, if we are seeing the price of the Bitcoin, we can say that it's overvalued, the price of the Bitcoin and the price of the cryptocurrencies. Because, like I told you, Bitcoin was $60,000. Now it fell a half. So now it's 34,000 of the Bitcoin. Ethereum price goes up, and now it's $2,366, which is not much, but it's kind of okay. What I can tell you from my experience, and what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna wait. I'm not just gonna go, buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy this. Still, the price of the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies is overvalued, by me. This is by me. I'm not talking about anybody else, about institutions, about who's running the blockchain technology and everything. I'm just telling you that what I'm seeing is the price is still high, and I'm gonna wait to fall to $10,000 for Bitcoin. When it falls $10,000, I will buy like 4 or 5 Bitcoins and gonna make good investment, because I know that Bitcoin is gonna go up in the future, and I'm willing to wait. I'm willing to wait like 3 years again. I'm willing to wait 5 years. But from 10,000 it will go to $100,000 by one Bitcoin. So that's gonna be a good investment and good money. That's what I'm telling you about Bitcoin. Is the same with the cryptocurrency. They are overvaluated right now, and they were, especially when the price of Bitcoin was $60,000, $64,000 it was. So that's way overvalued, and people are still buying it. They think it's gonna go to $100,000 soon, but the price fall down. So you can risk it even now. You can risk it now, but if you're a millionaire, if you have a lot of money, if you want to invest, and those money of one Bitcoin, it should be like 10% of your money, like 10, 5%, or maybe 15% of your money. And if you have if all your money are like for now $35,000, and you put in one Bitcoin, and you can eat tomorrow, you can buy anything, you cannot pay your rents and go homeless, I will tell you, don't do it. So just don't spend your money like this, because we know that the price will fall. A lot of in Bitcoin, in cryptocurrency, will tell you it's not gonna fall, but I'm telling you right now that the price of the Bitcoin will fall, and I'm waiting for the fall. I'm waiting for the fall less than $10,000. And when it's gonna be less than $10,000, and when I'm gonna see the graph, the chart, and depends on the chart, I'm gonna tell you in other videos how to read charts, how to see if if it's gonna go up or it's gonna go down. You can see that. All you need is some kind of experience. So me, for 3.5 years with Bitcoin, I have some kind of experience. I can see the charts. Not all the time I can guess, I'm not a wizard or something, or a magician. But when you're seeing the charts and you see how the price is developing, you can try to invest, and you invest when the price is down. And when the price is up, you sell. And how much money you want to make is on you. You decide how much money you're gonna make. So guys, this was Bobby Truther, and in the link below I will give you a link from Coinbase if you want to invest in crypto, and WeBull if you want to invest in stock markets. And I'm gonna talk about stock market next time, because my next investments were in the stock market, and I gained something from the stock market. I don't have so much experience in the stock markets, but like I told you, I can read charts, and I know how to make money. So I will tell you the shares that you can invest, when to invest. We're gonna see with the prices from here till there. You can go with your investments and the way you like. That's on you. I'm just here to give you a little bit of knowledge, what I'm knowing, what is going on right now, and that's all. Thank you for watching me. This was Wake Up Call. See you with other videos. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you next time.